Alright, question number 3 says f is a one-to-one function. Okay, that means each x is given 1y. Alright. If f of 5 equals 2, then the inverse. Okay, so this is what you get. Okay, knowing that this function is one-to-one, f of 5 equals 2. So what they're telling you is that 5 is the x value. That's where x is, and then this is the y value. Alright, the fact that this is one-to-one means that the inverse would just be the opposite, the reverse of these. So when you see this term right here, f of -1, that means the inverse. So one-to-one means it's an inverse, or it does have an inverse, and that means if we replace this, so they're saying what is f of 2, it's just equal to 5. Okay, you can reverse those points. So basically, whenever you have a function, if you have an order pair x, y, if I want the inverse of that, I would just switch them, get y and then x. That would be like the inverse. So this is the notation that they're giving you. So you got x and y, all they're doing is flipping them. That's the inverse notation. So if we have 5, 2, then the inverse will be 2 and then 5. Okay, so we want to determine is this function one-to-one. Alright, so one-to-one means each x gets paired with one y. Okay, so one-to-one, let's say if this is like a set of boys and then their girlfriends, so each guy is paired with one girlfriend. You can't have more than one. So Mike and Ellen, Jeff and Megan, Scott and Catherine, Alex and Becca. Okay, so if you had more lines, like a guy supposedly had 2 girlfriends or a girl had 2 boyfriends, that would not work. So as long as you only see one line going from each and vice versa, nobody going to more than one person, that's what we describe as one-to-one. Kind of like a relationship, one-to-one. You don't want to share your boyfriend with anybody else or girlfriend with anybody else. So each of these is matched with one person, so this is one-to-one.